So Fiji's an important place, whether Fijians want that to be the case or not. I think in a sense because of Fiji's strategic location in the Pacific and Fiji's importance as a very substantial Pacific nation and something of a leader in the region. Of course, China's choices and Fiji's choices around that strategic context are going to resonate. They're going to send signals and messages to other countries in the region. It's certainly not for me to express a view as to whether Fiji should or shouldn't engage with China. I mean, the Fijian governments, just as in many democratic governments everywhere, need to make their own choices as to what's best for the development and the security of their people and for the sovereignty of their nation. It seems that the new government has sent some quite clear and firm messages about the principles that it upholds, and they're principles that are consistent with democratic values and with the stability and the culture of this place. And I think the question mark that is probably over that for the Chinese at the moment is, what does this mean for their engagement? I can't predict the future, but my assumption is that the Rambuka government will be engaging with a wide array of partners, that it will have that additional degree of respect and positive engagement for partners that share the same value system, the same principles, the same democratic background. And that does mean that it's going to be a little bit more uphill for China from here on. I think it raises the bar so that when China comes forward with development projects or investment or infrastructure or security partnership ideas, it's going to have to demonstrate very high standards of transparency and accountability and all of those qualities that actually make democratic societies strong. Now, if China rises to that test, fantastic. That means that China has changed in response to the interests and the values of Pacific nations. And if China doesn't pass that test, then I think we will see China's presence and influence in the region peak and maybe diminish.